If you're experiencing login issues with Zelle, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify common issues and provide solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Update the Zelle app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Zelle app installed on your device. Go to your app store, search for Zelle, and update the app if an update is available. Step 4. Clear out cache and data. If you're using the app, clearing the cache and data can resolve many issues. Go to your device settings, find the Zelle app, and clear the cache and data. Restart the app and try logging in again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Zelle customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot further and resolve any account-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues with Zelle. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.